Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. So dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 5. Okay students, chapter 5. The chapter name is Working with Object in Word. Okay, you can see here, this is the chapter 5 and the chapter name is Working with Objects in Word. Dear students, in this chapter we will cover, okay, dear students, in this chapter we will discuss about inserting a text box, inserting word art, inserting shapes, inserting pictures and table. Okay, so dear students, Microsoft Word has numerous features to create an attractive and presentable documents. In the previous lesson you have learned about some advanced feature of Word. In this chapter you will explore various other features like inserting text box, graphics and background color in a document. So let's start. Your first topic is inserting a text box. Okay students, a text box is used to emphasize some special piece of information. It can be moved anywhere in the document. So dear students, if you want to insert a text box in your document, so first of all you have to click on the insert tab, and then after you have to click on the text box button from the text group. Okay students, step 2 is select the desired text box option in the built-in gallery. You can see here, this is the built-in gallery. You have to select any one of them and then after you have to type your text. Okay, now the next topic is inserting word art. Okay, word art feature help apply various effects to the text such as text fill, text outline and a number of visual effects. Dear students, if you want to insert a word art feature in your documents, then you have to follow some steps. Step first is place the cursor at the point where you wish to insert the word art. So dear students, first of all you have to place your cursor where you want to insert word art feature, and then after step 2 is you have to click on the insert tab. Okay, and then you have to click on the word art button from the text group. Okay students, you can see here, this is the word art option. You have to click here from the text group. Now come to the next page students, that is page number 49. Here you can see step 3 is a drop down word art gallery appear as shown in figure 5.3a like this. This is a word art gallery. You have to select the desired word art style, and then step 5, a placeholder with your text here appear on the work area like this. Just you have to click over here, okay, and your blinking cursor will be there. Just you have to type your text. Okay students, and then you have to click on OK button. Now using these steps you can insert word art feature in your document. Dear students, you can also formatting word art text. Okay, this is the format tab option. You can see here, this is the text fill, and this is the text outline, this is the text effect, and this is a more option. Okay, so dear students, you can also change the word art color, outline, effect, etc. Dear students, to format the word art text, you have to click anywhere on the word art text to select it, and then the format tab appear on the ribbon as shown in figure 5.4. Just dear student, you have to click anywhere on the word art text, then you will see format tab will be activated on the ribbon. Just you have to choose your desired style, text color, outline, etc. if you want to change. Okay, I hope you all are understand. Now come to the next page students. Here you can see the next topic is inserting shapes. Dear students, there are various ready-made shapes available in Word 2016 such as lines, arrow, geometrical shapes, star, clouds, and so on. These shapes make a document look interesting. You can insert shapes in your document. Dear students, to insert a shape in your document, you have to click on the Insert tab, and then after you have to click on the Shape option from the illustration group. Then after, a drop down menu will be displayed. Select the desired shape. Okay, to insert a shape, just you have to click on the Insert tab, and then after you have to click on the Shapes option from the illustration group. Select a desired shape from the drop down menu displaying various built-in shapes. You can see here, these all are the shapes. You can use any one of them. Okay, so for example students, select the heart shape in the basic shape category. Bring the pointer at the place where you wish to insert the shape, and click and drag the pointer to draw the shape. Okay, and release the mouse once the shape is drawn in the document area. Okay, dear students, simply you have to select any one of the shape, and then after you have to bring your mouse pointer in your drawing area, and just you have to left click, and without release your mouse button you have to drag. Okay, and then after you have to release your mouse button. Your shapes will be drawn in your Word document. Clear students? I hope you all are understand. Now the next topic I will explain in my next video. Okay, good day students. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos.